Now I will show you how to identify the right spare parts for your assembly system and how to find them in our online store accordingly. First, let's log in. And here you will find a link to our training portal. On your assembly system, you will find a label with a QR code. If you scan the code, you will also be taken directly to our training portal. You will get your access details for the training portal from your MDS project manager. And here you can see the product documentation for your assembly system. Here you can have a look at the e-learnings. Here you can find the operating manual. And here under machine-specific documents, you will find the wear and spare parts list. And here you will find the overview of the modules. Here you can see the corresponding drawing number and the item number. And you can use these to find the item in our online shop. Here's the guide unit. And we can expand the package content and see the components of the guide unit. Okay, and you can also view them here further down in the spare parts list. Here you can see the guide unit, and here are the components. And for example, we can now take an item in the guide unit and search for that item. Here's that item, and now you can add it to your shopping cart and proceed with your order.